Welcome to Tech's new tip. Discover the power of progress, where the treacherous roads return and the deep terrain is filled with heavy truck drivers, admiring the sheer power of the chainsaws to the limit of their courage. Every turn of the wheel, every delicate handling stage makes watching tense to the point of breathlessness. The suspenseful episode prepare for nerves of steel, because this action promises any moment. With a thunderous crash, the mighty trees toppled, their fall shaking the ground like an ancient giant reclaiming its domain. The air echoed with the sound of nature's raw power, leaving everyone in awe. Determination meeting nature's resilience. The chainsaw, a sharp envoy carved through the tension, each cut echoing with purpose and precision. Handling an old fallen tree stump is no walk in the park. It's the ultimate showdown of skill and machinery. Every cut, every move, and every moment demands precision, patience, and power. Watching this careful dance between man and machine is nothing short of remarkable. Winning or losing doesn't matter. What truly counts is cutting with care and precision. When every move prioritizes safety, you've already won. Whether it's taming a massive tree or a stubborn stump, the real triumph is walking away without a scratch. Sometimes nature takes matters into its own hands, like when a tree decides to transform your backyard by forcefully dropping in. One moment, you're cutting it down, and the next, you're planning a full backyard makeover. Taking down a towering 90-foot cottonwood is no joke. This is a task for true professionals who know exactly what they're doing. The precision, the skill, and the sheer bravery required to handle such a massive tree are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Have you ever seen something this incredible in action? This is a recipe for disaster if I've ever seen one. Watching this unfold, you can't help but wonder what was going through their minds. The tension, the risks. This is pure craftsmanship at its finest. A skilled artisan taking down a massive tree from breathtaking heights. From his perspective, with stunning scenery as the backdrop, every move is filled with tension and awe. You can't help but hold your breath, feeling the precision and danger in every cut. This is one video you won't be able to look away from. Absolutely captivating. Wow, that was close. A decaying tree and a crumbling house made for a heart-stopping moment. This was a near miss that could have gone horribly wrong, but thankfully, no one was hurt in the end. That move was downright dangerous. No protective gear, no safety measures, just sheer risk and a whole lot of luck. One wrong move and it could have gone south real fast. When it comes to trees, it's a game of unpredictability. One wrong cut, one misjudged angle, and things can spiral quickly. But not this time. With skill, precision, and maybe a pinch of luck, he pulled it off like a pro. That reverse notch cut technique? Absolute genius. Until it becomes an unintentional insurance claim demonstration? A bold move, but hey, it's all part of the thrill, right? Who needs a stage when you've got a forest? She's not just felling trees. She's showing off her prowess with multiple chainsaws like a true artist at work. From the roar of the motor to the precision of the cut, every move screams skill and style. With nerves of steel, the pro tackled the challenge head-on, turning what could have been a disaster into a smooth victory. It's not just about cutting wood, it's about mastering the environment. This expert's skill was on full display, and it's clear, when things get tough, this pro rises to the occasion. A powerhouse of skill and strength, embodying the relentless, bone-crushing grind of a logger's life. These brave iron men of the forest deserve our utmost respect for keeping the timber industry alive. True warriors of the wild. High above the ground, a man fearlessly tackles a tree, chainsaw in hand. Danger looms with every move. One wrong step could spell disaster. It's a heart-stopping display of bravery and skill. Would you dare to take on such a risk? My heart nearly stopped watching this. At 100 meters high, he tackled the tree with unbelievable precision, cutting it cleanly as if it were the easiest thing in the world. How does he do it? This is a jaw-dropping feat of skill and nerves of steel, absolutely unreal. Oh God, where is his safety gear? Sometimes, it's not just about having the right tools, but trusting your instincts. While it may seem safer to hire the pros, there's something incredibly satisfying, and dare we say, safe, about taking control of the situation yourself. When you're handling trees, or anything that comes with high stakes, having insurance isn't just a safety net, it's a lifeline. You never know what might go wrong, so being prepared is key. But hey, sometimes it's the wild, risky moments that make for the best stories, right? Just remember to stay safe and insured. Sometimes it's just safer to step away from the dangerous tools and assess the situation first. Whether you're handling a tree or any other heavy-duty task, taking a moment to think it through and ensuring everything's in order can make all the difference. Safety first, always. It's incredible how sometimes even the most damaged or malfunctioning things are kept around. Whether it's a tool or equipment, it's a good reminder that maintenance and safety checks are crucial to preventing disasters. It's a great analogy. Working with nature on roads, whether clearing trees or managing obstacles, feels like you're constantly adjusting your strategy. Just when you think everything is under control, nature throws in another challenge. The mighty 3,740 wood loader, equipped with crushing belts, effortlessly drags a Kenworth W900 as if it's weightless, hauling its fifth load of timber across the rugged concrete hills of Washington. This jaw-dropping display of power highlights not just the incredible machine, but also the driver's skill and precision. It's a breathtaking scene that's as inspiring as it is awe-inspiring. Handling a hollow tree definitely requires extra caution. The unpredictability of how it might fall or break apart makes it feel like defusing a bomb. Every cut and angle must be calculated. Starting to wonder if he really did this before. Storm damage? Not a problem when you've got a pro lumberjack who knows exactly what they're doing, turning chaos into control, one precise cut at a time. When it comes to storm cleanup, having the right skills and confidence makes all the difference. The way they handle those massive wind-blown giants is nothing short of spectacular. Each chunk of wood crashes down like it could shake the entire yard. Precision, power, and pure skill on full display. I bet the person who built that treehouse never imagined it would come crashing down like this. What a wild turn of events. It's absolutely wild watching these fearless heroes take on raging wildfires. The danger is real, every moment a life-threatening challenge. But sometimes, facing the fire head-on is the only way to stop its destruction. Their bravery is nothing short of awe-inspiring, a true fight against nature's fury. Let's be clear, tree felling isn't for those with shaky hands or weak nerves. It's a craft that demands pinpoint precision and nerves of steel. And yes, I've seen it firsthand. The skill, the focus, it's nothing short of extraordinary. This is work for true masters, no doubt about it. This cedar wasn't just a tree, it was a beast, a 10-ton giant with a trunk as wide as a bulldozer blade. A true monument to nature's raw strength, it stood as a legend among trees. For the logger, it was almost a losing battle, as the cedar fought back like a bear's claws with every cut. But this was no ordinary lumberjack. This was a master of the craft, conquering the untamable. Taking down a living legend like this cedar was nothing short of a heroic feat, earning its place in the annals of forestry greatness. Bravo to the one who stood against this titan of the woods. With rising fuel prices, the need for alternative energy sources has never been more urgent. Enter the Whole Vermeer WC2 300XL chipper. Guided by a conveyor feed system and variable speed grinding technology, this powerhouse transforms round wood and wood chips into efficient fuel. Its easy maintenance and powerful performance make it a timely industrial solution, perfect for meeting today's energy demands. So they're cutting DE, and someone forgot to yell timber. The talking tree knew it was time, standing tall on its towering perch. The moment the top was cut, it came crashing down, shaking the entire tree in a thunderous ripple of force. When it comes to tackling barber chairs, those silent, hidden foes in tree felling, no matter your level of experience, they can catch you off guard and lead to disastrous results. Moments like these are a stark reminder of why safety equipment is absolutely essential. A ladder and an A-frame would turn this whole operation into a masterpiece of precision and safety. A tree snaps mid-cut, and down goes another chainsaw along with the crashing log. The blade, twisted beyond repair after impact. But thank goodness this guy was decked out in full protective gear. Some people are simply out of luck, wrong place, wrong time, and an unforgettable lesson in time and place. At first glance, this wood chipper may seem harmless, but don't let that fool you. It can shred trees up to 200 millimeters thick, producing a staggering 14 million cubic meters of wood chips per hour. Watch the video and you'll be holding your breath in awe. It's truly impressive. Mesmerizing doesn't even begin to describe it. Watching Jack take down a massive 200-year-old hollow tree was nothing short of breathtaking. The precision in wrapping chains around the ancient trunk to prevent it from snapping showed true craftsmanship. Knowing the tree had long been dead only added depth to the spectacle. And Ross. Why hire a professional when you can trust the local cleaner to tackle a massive tree, right? It's all about saving money, or at least that's what they thought. Spoiler alert, this budget-cutting decision just might cost them more than they ever expected. Out on a vast field, two men are taking on a towering giant of a tree. One of them expertly wields a chainsaw, cutting strategically around the trunk, while the other hops onto a trusty tractor, using raw machine power to push the tree to its tipping point. Will their teamwork and precision win this showdown, or will the tree have the last laugh? Stay tuned for the moment of truth.